So, got the lift done there, brake line's all done, and then realized that the front drive shaft will wiggle up and down. So, there's probably a pinion bearing gone. I'm pretty sure there's a pinion bearing gone. So, right now, I'm going to take the cover off and pretty much pull everything out of the differential. Stay tuned, it'll be a good one.
And we're gonna ride like a one-eyed jack of diamonds with the devil close behind. And we're gonna ride.
Guys, so right now what I'm going to do, they got all these 4 bolts, leave that top one on there, and crack it loose. Alright, when you get all of them, all your bolts out, leave your top one loose. That's still going to hold your cover. When you crack it, it don't fall out, fluid goes everywhere. Trying to get it in the pan as best as we can. Here we go. Check this shit out. I don't know if you can see it. Right there on the bottom of the lip. Water bubbles. Water got in here somewhere. You can see it right there on the slinger. So, alright, so to pull this carrier out, you got 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here. Now you're going to have bearings on the side here. So when you pull these out, you want to make sure that these bolts go back, top, bottom, and on the right side. And this is the driver's side, the passenger side. So you're going to take out one, and take out the other, and then tie this carrier out. Alright, so got a little ahead of myself. Rushed it, got excited, sorry. But if you're gonna gut your differential, you may want to put her on jack stands. You may have to take your brake caliper off, which is 2 bolts. I'm not going to show you how to do that. Then you got 1, 2, 3 bolts, and then you pull your shaft out. Then you can pull your carrier out. Rookie mistake. Some of you may look at these rotors and think, Cooter, they're garbage. No, I say this is a professional turn job. Kill hold. Now we got to do pull the drive shaft, get that out of the way. Oh, this ain't gonna be easy. I just greased them fucking new joints. Alright, so once you get the carrier out, you're going to want to take the yoke out. And to do that, you got to take that nut off. This little handy dandy tool, you can make this if you want. But I bought mine off the internet. It's pretty fucking jazzy. You take a pipe, move that rotor, take a pipe, stick it in there. You can put a breaker bar on this side if you want, but I found that a pipe works just the best. So I'm gonna need that breaker bar, and you just boop, pop that joker off. Alright, so my battery is dying and I'm trying to record this, but how I found to get this out was put something soft on the thread of the pinion. Try to put your hand behind the pinion and tap this until this comes out. Now if you do it slow, this will stay in there. Then you just pull this out, then just reach in there and just pull the pinion out. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, once you get the yoke off, give the back of the pinion a lightly tap, and it should just pull right on out. There you go. Alright, now to get this seal out, I'm going to take a screwdriver and just pry around the sides, but be careful because right in there is your slinger, your oil slinger. You don't want to dent that up. That's $1 million part. Looks like a washer, but it has a lot of point behind it. I screwed it up before and had to wait a hot minute to get one. So try not to screw that up when you're getting this seal off. Alright, so once you get your seal out, it's guard up in there, your bearing's going to come out with it. And now you got this race in here. You get on the other side, tap, 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 until the joker pops out. Alright, let's get it done. Alright, here's how I got everything labeled. If you can see, I got driver's side, passenger side, got the carrier, pinion, the yoke, 2 carrier bolts, all labeled where they're supposed to be. Is top, bottom, the baffle, the slinger, whoever you talk to, whatever you call it. So that's how it's all laid out. Now once you get the new ones, just press them in. Hey, if you like what you saw, hit that like button. If you ain't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. So see you in the next one.